Akila Noor Azman is a sports and nutrition coach who has been teaching people how to cook healthier versions of their favorite dishes since 2015. She's going to show me how to accentuate my cooking without being overly dependent on flavoring my food with salt. Hey Akila, what's cooking today?
Hey Ray, I'm actually making a healthier, lower sodium fish soup bee hoon.
Wow, okay. But doesn't fish soup normally have a lot of sodium?
It does, especially when you go out to eat at the hawker centres. But instead of using concentrated stock, I'm actually using onions as a natural flavour enhancer. Usually a lot of food, even the healthiest food, has a little bit of sodium in it, so you don't actually need to add in any extra salt.
How did you actually come about creating this?
I think it's my own struggle of finding healthier, lower sodium, or just generally healthier Asian meals outside. So I tried experimenting on different recipes. Okay, Ray, I think it's ready. Can you smell that?
Smells good.
Scoop it out, and we're gonna have a little taste test to this.
I mean, this low salt version really smells like the real thing. Thank you. Wow. Wow, there's flavor. I can taste something. I'm so happy. So Akila, I've been on this low salt diet for the past few days.
Yeah.
And my food is just absolutely bland.
Yeah.
Do you have any tips for me on how to prepare my meal to have a little bit more flavor?
So I will recommend you to add in some herbs and spices and add in some natural flavor enhancers. Things like onions, like spring onions, which will actually help with enhancing the flavor without adding any extra salt.
But you know, at the same time, I eat out a lot, right? Because I'm always out. So
Yeah.
how do I actually cut down on my sodium intake when I'm out?
The best practice is really to try as much as possible to stick to the non-processed foods and try not to choose, those kind of deep fried and oily food. And if possible, even when you're choosing veggies, try as much as possible to go raw and minimize the ones that is cooked with a lot of stock, a lot of sauces and a lot of gravy, because it can easily turn a healthy food unhealthy.
Armed with the